Hello, welcome to our channel, The Globetrotter Trio. This is beautiful Lake Zug in central Switzerland. It is situated between Lake Lucerne and Lake Zurich. Lake Zug is well connected by trains and also easily accessible by car. So we went by car and we parked our car at Parkhaus Vorstadt around Lake Zug. Can you notice that grey structure built over the lake? It is a door which leads to the underwater observatory from where you can see just fishes, nothing else. We went for an evening walk around the lake and it was a nice lovely evening spent there. There are lots of cafes also around where you can just chill and enjoy the view. There was a person there who was creating these bubbles and all the kids were enjoying it. It was just so much fun for the kids. Even someone who enjoyed playing with the bubbles. It's his favorite. Just next to the lake is the small bird zoo. Here there are lots of exotic birds, and the best part is it is free. Kids, even adults loved watching the birds here. There are so many colorful birds. Oh my god. I love that bright red colored bird here. You will see in the video ahead. These red colored birds I was talking about, aren't they just attractive? So pretty. Wow. Overall, it was a lovely evening spent at Lake Zug with our son. It's a perfect family location. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.